We all know that air pollution it seriously affects everybody's health. We do read it in the papers every day that in Delhi the PM levels are increasing and pollution is getting very bad, and people are having health hazards reported. But we read it in the paper and then we move on to the next topic and probably we'll continue with our way of life. But what we need to realize is even in Hyderabad, the pollution levels are very high. So if you look at it, anything above 50 PM 2.5 levels, they typically say it's not so great. And in Hyderabad, right now it's around 160. I just saw that a while ago. So it's not a great thing, but we have to be monitoring it very carefully. And most of the time, we also think another myth that we have is basically we assume that the air pollution is only outside our house. But the fact is, even within the house, there are a lot of things that actually cause air pollution, which we typically don't realize. Let's assume if you have a new paint in your home, right? This actually is a very big health hazard. Typically, people say not to go inside your house at least for a couple of days because it gives very hazardous fumes, which is very dangerous. And not only that, even when you are cooking, right, the smoke that comes out actually is 10 times the air pollution that we have outside in the outside world. The only good thing that happens in the house is we have ventilation, and typically it, over a couple of hours, if you keep the doors open and everything, the air circulates. But the thing to realize is within that couple of hours, your family members are inhaling the same air, which is very dangerous. And that is where a thing like air purifier comes into play. The air purifier helps you clean the pollution in your house within 10 minutes. So if it's a small sized room, within 10 minutes, it actually clears the entire air, it recirculates the entire air, removing all the dust particles. And there are different types of air purifiers, obviously. Some air purifiers target only towards dust particles, whereas some other purifiers basically take care of bacteria and virus also. In today's world, they are saying even COVID, there is a high possibility that it could actually be transmitting through air. So not only through contact, but also through air. So it's very important to have the purifier within your home, not just in one room, but in fact, as we are using it and we are realizing that it's much more useful wherever in having it in multiple rooms, wherever your kids are there, your parents are there, they are the ones who are more susceptible for very hazardous respiratory diseases and pulmonary diseases, right? So we have to be taking care of our family, and I'm sure it won't be a lifestyle product anymore. I think it will become a necessity very soon, just like a water purifier. Probably 20 years ago, nobody even thought about having water purifiers in their home. But today, everybody has water purifier in their homes. And I'm sure that we'll get to a point where it is very much essential for having purifiers in every home. And this whole concept actually for why we are actually building this, why we started doing Serena air purifier is basically our chairman. He once visited an office, one of our offices in Bangalore, and most of the employees were struggling with the pollution there. The reason being it was a new building, there were new constructions happening outside, and even though they were in a closed environment, the air that was getting circulated had a lot of dust particles. So that is when our chairman thought it's good to have something, to build something, and having the technology expertise within the group, the chairman thought, okay, maybe we should start doing it on our own. And that is how Serena came into play. So Serena Purifier is all about making sure we have a very healthy living, not only in offices, but also in terms of in your home or anywhere you go, you have your purifier to take care of the air pollution and make sure you are having a very healthy living. So this is the crux of it. That is mainly the reason Serena as a brand exists. We are all about building intelligent products for a very healthy living. And we will continue to do this. We will probably take up a few more new products in this line. This is the first version. And we are fortunate to have this built in Hyderabad. Definitely, we have multiple cycles that are coming. The next versions of the product are also coming. And during that time, we also thought we also need a very good brand ambassador who can actually understand both the technology perspective as well as being health conscious. And we also thought that this particular ambassador should be able to reach out to the younger audience. Basically, audience, younger couples, I would say more, because younger couples are the ones who actually understand the importance of this, particularly when they have kids at home and parents at home. And both of them require very good care. And this particular product fits into the requirement very well. We spend so much money on restaurants and going out and buying things, but unless we take care of our health, all this is useless. So we should make sure we have a very healthy living. And for somebody to take that message on to the public, I thought, and the entire team thought that somebody like Digangana can take it very well into the system. And that is how we actually started with the product launch shoot.
I have been trying Serena air purifier myself at my house, and I have been. See, it's air is not something that you could see. It's something that you can feel in your system. And I saw the change, and I realized that my skin has gotten better. There's so many less rash issues. There's so many other things that are, like that are so avoidable when you have a product like this. He said that so correctly that water purifiers, even if you go to rural places today, they don't understand the system of water purifiers. It's like, why do they even exist? Air conditions took some time to reach India, to become so popular that every single house has it. I feel air purifier is now into that league. I think it's unfortunate that we are living in a system where air isn't as healthy as it used to be, or it was at one point, or can we have that kind of air again? I'm not sure. So if you look at the younger lot, like he said, the younger generation and everyone who's very much into technology would understand. In fact, my parents, for that matter, when we had this conversation at home, and I said that there's an air purifier. Initially, it looks like a fancy idea. Why do you have to have an air purifier? Like, kitna cool hai na? It's such a luxury to have an air purifier. But if you actually think about it, it's your today's need. Whether we accept it or we don't, it is very much your necessity. It's almost कहा जाता है ना कि you have to have a roof, you have to have your land in place, you have to have good food, good water, good air. And if you have so many things in life, you're lucky. Now, unfortunately, we've really played with our ecosystem, and it's not as healthy or as clean as it used to be. And we have to now find new ways to make it, how we'd want it to be, or how it works better for our health. And that's where Serena Air Purifier comes into the picture. I am more than happy to be endorsing Serena Air Purifiers, not just because I like the product. I am also very happy because it's very, very efficient. I mean, I've tried it. So, it makes me a little bit more proud that I've endorsed something that I can really speak about, and something that I want people to eventually use. And if any of my words can make you feel or realize how important can it be for your lifestyle, I'd be more than happy.
I think we are a totally new brand, and we believe in vocal for local. So with that mission, our management wants to make Serena a brand which can compete with all these Chinese brands which are in India. And we are thankful to our brand ambassador that, we have got their support, and we want to make this brand as #1 brand in India. Serena means being an intelligent brain. Air purifier is one product because today air is a major issue in India. And we are hoping to launch other product in the market and hope to make this, a #1 brand in India with your support. And would like all you guys to try it out, speak about it, and help, a local brand become a global brand in India, because we are a made in Hyderabad brand. and hoping to conquer India first and then scale to others.